Hello everyone, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this card making tutorial. It features the tile techniques and With You in Mind stamp sets from Stampin' Up, and this is the best wishes card tutorial we're doing today. Isn't it cute? I just love it. It's very monochrome here. This one I used Blueberry Bushel, and you can see it's just a very simple card, but I love the way it looks. So let me show you how I created this. This one was Blueberry Bushel. This time we're going to be doing Melon Mambo. So I've got a piece here of basic white, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. And I've got it here in my stamping tool. I just had that there for the glare. Unfortunately there is a little bit of a glare. And we're going to be using this stamp set here called Tile Techniques. And we're going to use this piece down here. And I'm just going to set it in place on my card. I'm going to pick this up with my lid. You can do this with a block. I just find it easier to use a stamping tool. You can use the Stamparatus. I'm not sure where I've put mine, so I'm using this one instead. Okay. I'm going to stamp this up with some Melon Mambo ink. Down, press down all the way. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm just going to flip my cardstock again, keeping my stamp in the same position, and ink it up again. And immediately we have that beautiful frame. Isn't that gorgeous? So you can use more of the stamp set if you wish. I didn't. I'm going to clean this up so I can take it out of my stamping tool. Give it a nice squeaky clean. Okay. And let's get rid of this now. I'll put it back in its home. If I don't put it back after I've used it, it's likely to get lost, and I don't want that to happen, so easy to put it back. Now I'm going to use this stamp set With You in Mind. Last time I used Best Wishes. Let's see what we can do this time. Maybe Thank You. Yeah, let's do Thank You this time. Sorry about the noise from the acetate. Let's see, how does Thank You look in here? Oh yeah, that looks lovely. Okay, so I'm going to do Thank You this time. So just try and get it as straight as I can. That will do nicely. And then I'm going to stamp again in Melon Mambo ink. Just for good luck. Lovely. Yeah. Why not a third time? Give it a good press down. Yep. That's perfect. Okay. So you guessed it, we're cleaning up again. Squeak, squeak, squeaky, 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 squeaky. Okay, let's put away a symbol chamois. Couldn't live without that thing. It is amazing. I love it so much. Okay, so let's take this out of our stamping tool, and all our stamping is done. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I really like that. So our card base is also Melon Mambo. So it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I'm going to just stick this down to the front. There we go. And then I've got this one here. Another piece for the inside. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, I love it. And then I've got some of these adhesive metallic gems. So we're going to use some of these here to decorate our card. So let me get my thing here. Let's use some of these here. Let's see, where do we want to put these? I think we're going to have one here, and then that should here. Same thing there. That looks good. I'm just adding it to the end of these little swirls. I don't want to do all of them, it would be overkill. Maybe use some of these big ones as well, just here in the corner, just to almost frame it. So yeah, I think that's enough as good as a feast. There we go. There are 2 cards. So thank you, best wishes, Melon Mambro, Blueberry Bushel. You can tell me which colourway you prefer. I love them both. If you're wanting more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post, and you can find the links to that and all my social media links in the description box below. If you've enjoyed the video, I'd be so grateful if you could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. So thank you for joining me today for these 2 cards featuring the tile techniques and with you in mind stamp set from Stampin' Up. It's a quick and fun, easy card tutorial, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!